Google just dropped 5 new free tools inside Google Labs. And if you run a service business, this changes everything. Each one targets a real problem. Each one is free. I will break all of them down and show you the money angles most creators completely miss. Hey, I am Paul James. Welcome back to the channel. I help freelancers use free AI tools to compete with bigger agencies. No expensive software, no giant budgets, just leverage. I started with no connections, no money, and no runway. I was living in my brother's garage. I was trying to make a business work with almost no resources. AI tools give me the kind of leverage I needed back then. So when Google rolls out something like this, I pay very close attention. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the real problem most small business owners face every month. They are paying separate subscriptions for photography, design, automation, and content. Every tool adds up. Most business owners spend hundreds of dollars a month just to look professional. And here is what Google just did. They made a huge chunk of that completely unnecessary. That is what this Google Labs update is actually about. I want to give you a framework for thinking about all of this. I am calling it the zero-cost content stack. The idea is straightforward. You use a connected set of free Google tools to do what agencies charge thousands for. Product photography, AI-powered browser automation, slide creation and editing, design problem solving, all of it. And it is all sitting inside tools you can access right now. Here is where things get wild. The first tool is called Pamelli. You find it inside Google Labs at labs.google. Click on View All Tools, then select Create, and you will see it there. Pamelli is Google's free product photo shoot generator. That is not a small thing. Let me explain what it actually does for your business. You upload a photo of any product, a shirt, a candle, a skincare bottle, a piece of equipment, whatever your client sells. Then you choose from a library of professional templates, or you type a description of the exact shot you want. Pamelli drops that product into a fully generated lifestyle scene. We are talking professional lighting, modeled shots, multiple angles, seasonal or holiday-themed setups for promotions. Think about what that actually means. Say a client sells handmade candles. She used to pay a local photographer $200 every few months. Now she takes one clean image of her product and uploads it to Pamelli. She walks away with a full professional shoot in minutes, for free. Most people never realize this part. You are not just using this for yourself. You are selling it as a service. A freelancer offering product photography can now batch entire campaigns for multiple clients in one afternoon. That is a real business built on a free tool, and it is completely scalable. The second layer of the zero-cost content stack is Gemini 3.1 Pro inside Chrome. Open Chrome and look at the top right corner. You will see the Gemini side panel. Inside that panel, there is now a model selector. Switch it to Gemini 3.1 Pro, and now you have something completely different. This version is built for agentic tasks. It does not just answer questions. It acts. You can tell it to research leads in a specific industry. You can have it scan your inbox and flag what needs attention. You can ask it to plan a full outreach strategy, locate contact information, and draft personalized messages, all from inside the browser you are already using. No switching apps. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Gemini 3.1 Pro in Chrome also draws from your browsing history and personal preferences. The more you use it, the more it understands your context. For a freelancer managing multiple clients, that browser-native intelligence is a serious competitive advantage. You are not switching between 5 different apps. Everything runs from one place. This part used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. I always thought better outputs required better tools or bigger budgets. But the third layer of this stack is just about how you communicate with Gemini. A detailed, well-structured prompt gives you a completely different result than a vague one. Include the tone you need, name the format you expect, describe the target audience, specify what a great result actually looks like. When you feed Gemini that kind of detail, the output shifts dramatically. Add context about who will read this. Describe what a great result actually looks like. The more specific your input, the sharper the output. This applies to image generation, slide writing, client proposals, and video scripts. Nothing about the tool changes, your input does, and that adjustment costs you nothing. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The fourth layer is NotebookLM, and it just picked up a major new editing feature for slides. NotebookLM was already great at building presentation first drafts, but editing afterward was clunky and slow. That has changed now. There is a revise feature inside NotebookLM's slide editor. You select the specific slides or sections you want adjusted. You describe the change in plain language. Less text here. Move this section earlier. Change this to a different color scheme. NotebookLM regenerates only the parts you flagged. Everything else stays exactly as it was. This is the kind of surgical control that used to require a full design subscription. Now it is built into a free tool that millions of people already have access to. And it is available to everyone, not just paid users. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. The fifth layer is Stitch. This one is especially powerful if you offer any kind of web or app design services. Stitch now has a built-in feature called ID8. Here is how it works. You bring Stitch a problem, upload a screenshot of a dashboard, a product page, or whatever is not converting. Describe what is broken in plain language. Too cluttered, too many elements competing, confusing layout. ID8 comes back with multiple different design solutions, real visual mockups, multiple directions to choose from. You compare them side by side, pick the direction you want, build it out directly inside Stitch, and now Stitch exports directly into Figma. That means your entire design workflow is fully connected from problem to final handoff. Picture this, a freelance designer has a client whose checkout page is losing customers. She uploads a screenshot and describes the issue inside Stitch with ID8. In a few minutes, she has 3 distinct redesign directions ready to present. That is a polished client deliverable built in under 15 minutes with a free tool. Here is the money picture when you zoom out. Pamelli replaces paid product photography for your clients. Gemini 3.1 Pro in Chrome replaces manual research and outreach work. Better prompting improves every single deliverable you produce. NotebookLM handles presentation creation and precise revision. Stitch handles UI design challenges with AI-generated direction and clean Figma export. That is 5 different billable services sitting inside tools that cost you nothing to access. Think about the types of clients who need these services. E-commerce brands need product photos constantly. Coaches and consultants need polished slide decks. Local businesses need someone to manage their browser-based outreach. Startups need UI design feedback fast. Every one of those clients will pay for what you can now build with free tools. A local business consultant I know was charging $450 for a product content package. She now delivers the same quality in less time using Pamelli. Her prices have not changed. Her profit margin went up. And she is taking on more clients because the actual work takes less time now. That is what the zero-cost content stack looks like when it is running. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once this is your normal workflow. You are delivering faster. You are charging the same rates or more. Your overhead stays near zero. And you are working with free tools that most of your competitors have not even opened yet. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. The window is open right now on Pamelli, Gemini 3.1 Pro, NotebookLM, and Stitch. That edge will not last forever. Freelancers building free tool workflows today become the go-to experts tomorrow. They charge more, they move faster, and they do it all without a stack of monthly subscriptions. Do not be the person who finds out about this 6 months too late.